When I was talking about the difference between mitigation and adaptation, this is not always very clear, and this is also very much interlinked. So if we look at the definitions, when we talk about mitigation, this means making the impacts of climate change less severe by preventing or reducing the emission of greenhouse gas emissions into the atmosphere. So to schematize a bit this is like working on the causes of climate change. What are the reasons why we have climate change? So for instance, we know it comes from fossil fuels. So reducing our use of fossil fuels is going to help working on the causes and on mitigation. When we talk about adaptation, it's more about anticipation of the effects of climate change and taking action to prevent or to minimize all the effects and the damage that this can cause, and taking advantages of opportunities. So this is very much working on the consequences of climate change. To take a different image, you can imagine like if you feel sick and you go to the doctor, they are going to give you medicine to treat the consequences of your illness. For instance, so you are coughing, so you're going to get some syrup to cure the coughing and the effects, so the consequences. But maybe this comes from causes that you are not going to treat with the coughing syrup, but maybe because, let's say, you are a smoker and this is the reason. So you will have to work on the causes and not just on the consequences, otherwise this is going to happen again. So the best strategy is to find strategies indeed, or actions or opportunities that can help you work both on causes and on consequences. So working both on mitigation and adaptation.